Hello dear friend, this video I am going to show you how to set any song as your Samsung ringtone. If you are new here my channel, please subscribe and also like this video. So let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the settings page. Once you are in main settings, scroll down a little. Here you can find the sound and vibration option. Tap on them. After that, click on the ringtone option. You can see all of the built-in ringtone listed there. Keep in mind, this video I am going to show you how to set any song as your ringtone. So tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. After that, you open the tracks folder. Here you can see all of the saved music listed there. You scroll down to the page. Find the exact song as you set your ringtone. For example, I am set this song. So select it, then confirm by tapping the done button at the very top, and you have successfully done. You can also adjust the volume slider. Very bottom, find the slider, simply swipe left to right to increase or decrease. That is how you can easily set any song as your Samsung phone ringtone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.